Hey guys, how's everybody? I am going to crochet a flower today and I want you guys to join me. I am going to make this flower 6 petals flower. It's a open spring flower. And also for the yarn, you can choose any number of yarns. It depends on how big the flower you like to make. Okay, I am going to use a number 4 yarn medium. This is a cotton yarn, and also a size G hook, 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and the size of the flower is 2 inches in diameter. Okay, 2 inches in diameter. That's the size of the flower that we are crocheting today. Okay, now we are going to begin with the magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make 12 single crochet. So we are going to make a chain 1. This chain 1 is not counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now we are going to close the ring. We are going to pull the inside strand. This is the inside strand and this is the outside strand. So the inside strand, pull it halfway from left to the right, like that. And now this tail, we are going to pull this tail, pull it nice and tight. Okay, and now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single here. Slip stitch there. This tail, you can leave it behind or you can crochet it along as you go. I will crochet it along as I go. And now we are going to make a chain of 3, and into the next chain we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and make a chain of 3, and into the next stitch we are going to slip stitch and make a chain 3, and into the next stitch make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and make a chain 3, and into the next stitch slip stitch, then chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the next. 1, 2, 3, then make a chain 3 and slip stitch into the next, chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, slip stitch into the next, chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, slip stitch into the next, chain 3, and into the very last stitch here we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, then chain 3, and we are going to slip stitch at the bottom of the beginning chain 3. This is the beginning chain 3 at the bottom. Slip stitch there, and we are going to close our work here and cut the yarn. Okay, and don't forget to hide the tail of your yarn later on. This is how the flower looks like. You can use it as an applique, like use it to embellish a bag, a hat, a headband, or whatever project you wanna embellish with flowers. Okay, thank you so much guys for today, and see you again for my next tutorial. And yeah, please, if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you so much.